We came to Van Cleve, Mississippi for one reason only.
To rally together a bunch of RVers and give this Jackson County Park a makeover.
Have no idea what we're talking about? Keep watching. This was a great project, and if you've already seen our last video that we're going to put right up here, take a look, because that was how we started this whole thing, but it was amazing.
At the end of this project, we put in 1,866 work hours over 9 work days. We lost 1 day for rain, and we had 37 volunteers.
Crazy what we got accomplished. So let's show them a little bit about what we did, right?
Yep. First thing that took us the entire 2 weeks was this pavilion. There was nothing here at all. It was a mound of dirt when we got here. They already had this one over here. So we added a railing to it. And then we built this baby from scratch and added a couple of picnic tables. Pavilion. We're a little concerned because this pavilion didn't go quite as quickly as we thought it would, but you know us, we don't leave a project unfinished, so we are very positive that it is all going to get done. We've got this amazing team right here working on getting the last of the trusses up, and we're going to start on the supports, the roof and the ceiling, and then these dormer edges things, and yeah. We've got a good team moving and shaking on it this morning, so I think we're going to make some good progress.
It's the first time I've seen that shirt worn by anybody. Hey, what's going on?
Right now, we've got 2 teams working on this. We're going on the ceiling from here to there, and then another team working on the roof up from there over to here.
And I said, when you got a ceiling team and a roofing team, make sure no one gets stuck in the middle. Don't like This pavilion was in good shape. It was built a number of years ago, but it needed a little bit of finesse. So we added the railing back there. We tacked down and built some picnic tables.
And we included 4 new trash can enclosures. Back behind me here, they're building the trash can boxes, and they look so good. We got a whole assembly line thing going here. It looks pretty good.
Go ahead.
Don't forget behind the fence there, because I know we've been focused on the trails.
Oh no, no.
Yeah.
Hey, listen, man. I get everything on camera, and that was the first one. You obviously didn't see our video.
That's right.
You
Video? You want me to watch your videos too? You ask a lot of them.
We don't watch their videos because they're just boring, but they can watch ours because they're awesome.
See this beauty right here? We poured and finished 23 yards of concrete for all the sidewalks here at the park.
Under that pavilion too.
TV and JC Rec 2022. And Darcy did that.
Yeah, when we get a chance to tag something.
Oh, there's another one over here. Oh, there's
And we were talking that we need to get actually a brand that we can like stick into the side of wood. So when husband says, hey, I need some help pouring the concrete on the sidewalk back at home, you guys are like,
The answer is no.
the answer's no.
Emphatic no.
Yeah, porta toilets or porta johns or whatever you call this big thing back here, they're just not pretty and they're a little smelly. And it would have just not been that great to have these things sitting out in the middle of this nice little park. Hey, so we built a little enclosure for it and now it matches the pavilions.
But it's still a toilet. Phew. Guys have been working on this portalet enclosure for about 2 days and it's darn near done. They just have a little bit of measuring and some finish work to do, but boy oh boy did that come together quick. Go team! Who loves a playground? Besides me, kids of course. So we painted the entire swing set and gave it a whole new fresh layer of mulch. Hey Terry, what you doing?
We are power washing, then we are sanding and staining 41 picnic.
That's a lot of picnic tables.
It is a lot of
Good job! And this is Susan and Susan. The Susans are on sanding.
Oh, we have Susan squared on this job. Terry squared on this
Ah,
job.
that's funny. And what is Louise doing?
I'm transforming picnic tables.
I love it, transforming. That's a good one.
Yes. So they're soaking up the stain, but they look much better.
They do look much better. Great, great job.
Get in the middle.
I wish we could say we poured the concrete for this basketball court, but we'd be lying. We didn't, but we definitely watched the county and we learned how to do it. So we did do the painting of the stripes though. Have you figured out how we pulled that off? Because that three-point line looks fantastic.
So here we are at the basketball court, and probably self-explanatory, but Dennis here is digging the holes for the fence. Several others are clearing the basketball court so we can paint the lines on it. So those are getting taped and chalked so that we know where to put them, and that will start going up probably tomorrow, assuming the weather holds out. So fingers crossed, we'll see. These are the Susans, and they are working on striping the basketball court. It is a rather tedious job. Finding things that mark the concrete is not exactly easy. So, but we're gonna get them a roller handle and some paint so that tomorrow they can start painting, and it's gonna look really, really good. I guess let's get over there. If you watched our site survey video, you know that this was a tangle of overgrowth all encroaching onto the baseball field, but not anymore, and we even made it part of our loop trail.
Green says it's easy. Let's take it. Hey, all you home run hitters, if you hit your ball over this fence, good luck finding it. But there is a hole for you to go walk out and try.
Pond loop is 0.3 miles, and the longer loop is 0.7 miles. Do them together, you get yourself a mile.
1 mile in that tangled overgrowth. It was no fun, but it was totally worth it. We even added some steps.
And a trail bridge. Last crew is in! Look at this gorgeous bridge!
It's getting toasty.
Yes, hopefully we're saying goodbye to winter and hello to spring.
Yeah, so this was a great project. We knocked out so much stuff. We will show you a list of all the stuff that we did here at the end, but it was a ton of work, so rewarding. We heard it from some of our volunteers saying, I didn't know it was going to be this much work. we hope you guys join us on another project.
And maybe a slightly easier one, not as heavy lifting.
Yeah.
Well, we want to say a big thank you to Jackson County for helping us and hosting us, taking such great care of us. They did a fish fry on our last day here. It was delicious and amazing.
We did. We had a blast. And if you are interested in joining us on a project, just head on over to ayeartovolunteer.com, where you can scroll down, subscribe to the newsletter, learn a little bit about us, and also you'll get first notification when we launch a project, because we include it on the first page on the right hand side of that newsletter when a new project pops up. So take a look at that list. We do have some availability on some projects this year, and we're adding them, you know, every month or so we're adding something different.
Yep, as of right now, we only have 3 months that we are not filled up for 2022. So keep on watching, because those are going to get placed and announced soon.
We may have to leave 1 month open just to take another
Just to take a mid-year break. We'll see.
Yeah, hope you like this video. Thanks so much for watching.
As always, if you like this video, give us the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and share it with your family and friends.
See you later, everyone.
Bye.